Warning, this video contains major Simply Gilded Advent Calendar spoilers, as in all of them. So if you do not want to have this spoiled, please click away right now. But hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and I am so excited. I am going to be unboxing, unwrapping all of my Simply Gilded Advent Calendar all in one go. I have not looked at this yet. All I did is pull it out of the package, which I have sitting on top to cover the box to give people a chance to click away from spoilers, but I am going to unbox this live on my channel. Well, not live, recorded on my channel, which is what I did last year. It was so much fun. Last year I got my video so late in the game, like I was one of the last people to get theirs. This year I think I was one of the first, so I'm gonna try and get this video up as quickly as possible in case you've been dying to see what's inside this. No, I am not waiting. I am not going day by day. I am about to tear through this all in one go. So let's go ahead and jump in. So this is the only thing I've seen so far, and I have not seen any other spoilers of this. I am so excited to open this. This was like my absolute favorite thing last year, and I am really excited. So this is the gorgeous box that it came in, and I just absolutely love it. I am gonna start with one and then go in order. So let's go ahead and open. Last year I thought this was like really good value for me, so I definitely ordered this like as soon as it came up. So the color of this box is absolutely gorgeous. It's just like a purpley watercolor, and the theme is love, which I love that it's not like a holiday theme because I do not really celebrate Christmas, just like a little bit with my husband's family. So I love this theme anyway. And here is the box. So it looks pretty similar to last year in terms of the way it's packaged, and each box has like a number on it. So I'm gonna move the box to the side and go ahead and start with number one. Okay. So here is package number one, which is obviously not washi. It feels like maybe stickers or something. So, oh my God, the packaging on this is so cute, and it's all like hollow foil. And then the scallop label, it's just like so much attention to detail. I'm not like a person who grew up doing advent calendars or anything, so this is so much fun, but I just love tearing through all this stuff. I don't really get like a lot of surprise gifts, so this is really fun, and I try and save this as much as possible. I still have the packaging from last year, which I haven't done anything. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So it is some stickers. Let's go ahead and open them. The first one on the top is like Inception. It's like washi roll stickers. So that is like super cute. And then some pizza and juniper stickers, juniper glasses, some blue foil juniper. So most of these have been gold, and there was one blue and juniper in the washi. Happy Mail junipers and Celebrate. Ooh, rainbows, love the rainbows. And then mini bows, oh my gosh, those are so cute. And the bear. So you guys, if you watch my channel, I'm not like the biggest juniper person, but I do think some of these are really cute. I love the pizza hearts, and particularly the gold foil. The blue is like a little bit much, so I will pull apart anything I don't want to put in my like giveaway, destash, sell pile, whatever you call it. But I love a lot of these, like the rainbows, even with the blue foil on the rainbows, I'm just obsessed. And the pizza ones, and I like the other ones too, actually. So that is super cute. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little sheets of stickers. Is that right? 3? Yeah, 9 or 10 sheets of stickers. So that's a lot of stickers, and that's just day one. Here is day number 2, and it feels like a double roll of washi. I gotta tell you that. I love this packaging. I'm like, you could do like a whole TN setup on this packaging. And let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, it's more than a double roll of washi. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. So it is a Stardust washi with silver, pink, and rose gold foil, I'm gonna say, and in like a really pretty like pink. It kind of matches the packaging. It's like that pinkish purple that's been going on. And then a mini washi roll, which is my fave size, the 5mm, and it's blue with hollow, and like blue, darker blue with pink, lighter blue with pink, both with hollow, and then like a pink purple with rose gold. So that's like really gorgeous. And I actually, when the one foil color is like silver, I don't super mind the mixed foils, because I'm not really a big mixed metals person, but I do think that this is really pretty. So that is the first washi, and it is it is like a full size set. It's a 15, a 10, and 3 5mm. So anyway, if I sound super out of breath, it is not because I am. It is because I'm very pregnant and I just always sound like this. So especially if you're new to this channel. Anyway, here is day 3. I'm gonna guess a pin. So that's fun. I just got like a new cork board, so I'm really into pins right now. And it's the juniper and the bear giving the hug to a heart. That's actually super adorable. I'm definitely gonna put that on my cork board. I don't know, I just said I don't love juniper, but for a pin, that's really cute. And I just have a bunch of pins on my cork board, which I love. So day 4, here we go. It feels like more washi. This is exciting. I couldn't wait to get this. It got shipped to my dad's house because we were in the middle of moving, and I got it yesterday. It's Black Friday while I'm recording this. I picked it up at my dad's house on Thanksgiving. It got there on Wednesday just in time because we were going there for things. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, that's like a really pretty pink purple floral with silver foil, and it is the 15 and the 10. So this has like been really generous so far. Hopefully you can see this okay. I'm not gonna open up all the washies because I don't like to open them until I use them. But anyway, that's super gorgeous. So I had just like had to like wait to open this until the kids were napping today, and it was like so tempting, and I kept trying to. I was like, nope, stay away, stay away. Anyway, this is day 5, and it's very flat, so not washy, and it's big. Maybe more stickers or something, or papers. We'll see. Oh, definitely some sticker. Oh my gosh, I love the rainbows. I have the sticky note rainbows, and I keep like turning them into die cuts, like large die cuts. So I'm obsessed with these stickers. So this looks like the seal stickers. Let me get this open. And the rainbows are like some of my favorite. I just like put them everywhere and use them on everything. So we have hollow rainbow stickers. Oh, look at these donuts. That's so cute. Rose gold donuts, so perfect. I actually have like all this like rose gold TN donut-y stuff that I did for Valentine's Day last year, and that matches perfectly. Some bears, some cheetah print bows, some rose gold bows in neutral colors. Ooh, beautiful. I love these. Oh, I love these with roses with the stars on the inside. Some hollow bows. Oh, look at these little hearts. And the smiley face is foiled. I don't know if that's showing up, but so it's like a lightly foiled sticker. That's so cute. And then some junipers and some black and white bows with like just a hint of pink and rose gold. I love me some rose gold. So that is really cool as well. And this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think 10 again, sheets of stickers. So this, like I said, this has been really generous so far. I felt the same way last year. Okay, so I'm trying to go in order. I was just trying to get everything out of the way. But anyway, this is 6 and it's very heavy. And I don't know, I think it might be pens actually. But anyway, this is 6. I'm trying to keep this organized. I will not show any spoilers except for in this video on my Instagram or on my channel until like after New Year's when everybody has their stuff all open. Oh, look how cute this is. So it is like a bow pen in pink with gold. Those can come out. And then a rose gold like galaxy white pens. That is so cute. Yeah, I just put all this stuff aside until the end of the year because I don't want to spoil it for anybody. Even though I have already opened it all, I don't want to spoil these for anybody. So I'm not going to show this on my channel anywhere except for in this video or on my Instagram. Number 7 with that really pretty floral, and it feels like washi. But yeah, so anyway, ooh, that's very pretty. So you have, these are 5 millimeters, hearts going like sideways and hearts going vertical. That's so cute, pink with silver heart. And then, oh, I love this with like this really bold floral and then the simple bow. I've been really into the simple bow washi lately. Like, again, I am not mad that I bought this, and we're on box 7. I am super not mad that I got this. Just like last year, I do feel like this was really good value for me. So if you liked it last year, you're probably gonna like it this year. Okay, number 8. Now my boxes are like a little bit out of order in the box, so hopefully I went in order here. But anyway, this is a really small package. I love this paper with the rainbow ombre. Let's get this open. And okay, like, this is really funny. I like these, but I like don't really understand what they are. And this is the third one that I've gotten. I think it's like a paperweight. I'm not really sure. It's really pretty and it's a heart and it's like very pretty. And I got like one as a swap at a planner meetup at Define and Flourish, and one came in a Simply Gilded box. And now this is my third one. And I like literally, I have no idea what it is, but they're like really pretty. So if you know what it is, you can let me know in the comments below, but I do really like that. It's like a little heart paperweight type thing majig. All right, number 9. Love this packaging once again, and it once again feels like washi. You do get a lot of washi in this, which like Irene knows what the people want. I'm trying like my best not to rip the packaging, and it is it's a Days of the Week washi. Interesting, and I wonder if that's like an Annie Plans collab, like the handwriting. I'm not 100% sure. It's not something I super use, but I do bullet journaling, so that could be kind of fun in a bullet journal. Otherwise, I will save to de-stash. And then this is one washi. I actually really like this, but I'm not a huge fan of white washies, but I really like this pattern where it's like bow, heart, 3 rows, and then, or do you think this is the perforated one? I don't know. No, I think it's one 15mm washi, but I really love the pattern. I just wish it wasn't white because it's just a personal preference. I'm not super into the white washis, but I have them in like every metal because they've come in like boxes and stuff. But I do really, really love that pattern. Okay, we have number 10. That feels like another one of those bracelets, and it's like a pink or a rose gold with a heart. I'm gonna be perfectly honest, my kids play with these all the time. I'm not really like a big bracelet person. They are very cute. I do feel like they're pretty flexible to fit and stuff, but I usually just let my daughter wear them. But that is very pretty. I do like them. I'm just not a big jewelry person, but I'm gonna wear it in the video. And then we have 2 left here, number 11. This is really cute packaging. It looks like a little lunchbox. I love that. So cute. And then this, is a washi. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So these are, I think these might be the new header bows. Yeah, because this is like a little bit thicker. I'm gonna actually open these even though I don't usually open them, but I wanna see if these are the perforated ones. Okay, so I went ahead and popped these open real quick. You do have 2 hollows or 3 hollows and 2 rose golds. Oh my gosh, there's so much in this. So you have this, like these 2 purples with rose gold and these 3 with hollow, and I'm just gonna take one and I'm gonna see if it's the perforated or if it's just like a 7.5mm washi. Okay, this is not perforated, but you could definitely use this as a header in like an Erin Cadron, but it's not. I know that there's some ones coming in the sub box that are like pre-perforated, but these ones are not, but they are super, super gorgeous and I absolutely love them. Like I said, I've been into the simple bow lately, but I also just love these colors, love the foil combo, everything. Perfect. Woo, just dropping washi. All right, and then finally we have number 12. Which is in like galaxy wrapping here. Oh, I did not open that super carefully. Whoa. Galaxy 9.0, guys. This is so exciting. This is a full set of a Galaxy washi. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, love it. So beautiful. It's like it's like a pinky purple. It matches the color scheme of this perfectly. And the bow and the twinkle stars are rose gold and the moon and the stars are silver. And I love that. I did not get like the moon and the stars rose gold. I don't know, it didn't match in my mind, but like this is like it's a perfect combination of silver and rose gold. There's actually not one gold thing, like besides stickers, there was not one gold washi in this. So I hope you like hollow and rose gold. I'm gonna grab everything out so we can see, and I'll do a little value calculation real quick to see, but I already can tell you that I'm super glad I got this and that I think it's worth it. Okay, so this is all the stuff in the box. So you had like 20 sheets of stickers, and I feel like, are these usually like $2 or $2.50 a piece? Let me grab my calculator. Okay, so even at $2 a piece, that would be $40. And then I don't know how much the pens, I've like never seen her sell pens besides in the sub box, so I won't even count that. The pins, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like they're like $5 or $8, but even that's like 45. just call those bonuses. Plus the bracelets are the bracelets are usually way value added. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 15 millimeter rolls, and those are $4.50. And the set of 3s I think are 6. And then these, whatever, even if we pretend that they're 5 millimeters, they're a little bit bigger. That's 5. I guess between the two of those together, it would be like another 6 and another 8. And then, which I'm already over $100, and I'm pretty sure that this whole thing was $75. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 10 millimeters. So like, I feel like this box was probably like, I mean, even if you don't count like the pens and the bracelet and this, it's still like over $125 worth of stuff. And it was, I'm pretty sure it was $75 was the package. Like I said, just like last year, it's all exclusive too. So just like last year, I'm super glad I got this. I love it. I am so excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me absolutely tear through this. Like I said, I'm gonna try and get this up as quickly as possible in case you want this spoiled for you. And if not, I'm sorry you watched this video. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at MyCraftyPlans. I know I've been like on and off lately. We just finished like a cross-country move, but I have a ton of new videos coming and a ton of new stuff coming. And I'm gonna do a big giveaway at the end of the year. Let's just say I have a certain planner that can be a little bit hard to find sometimes that is pretty hot right now that I'm going to be giving away. So stay tuned for that. And I'm really, really excited just for everything to come. So I hope you enjoyed this, and happy Thanksgiving.